Struggling to find the perfect embroidery machine? Key features like stitch quality, speed, hoop sizes, and built-in design options are critical, but the wide variety of models makes comparison difficult. We know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right one with so many options out there. That's why we've done the hard work for you, testing numerous models to bring you the top 5 best embroidery machines of 2024. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and direct you to the best embroidery machines on the market. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5, Brother SE2000. The Brother SE2000 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile and portable device designed to meet both sewing and embroidery needs. Measuring 17.56 by 9.49 by 11.81 inches and weighing 1 pound, this machine is constructed from a combination of plastic and metal, providing a sturdy yet lightweight option for various crafting projects. It is an electric device, requiring a power source, and is intended for use in the United States at 120 volts. Any other use or sale voids the warranty. The SE2000 integrates with the Artspira mobile app, offering 50 free embroidery designs and enabling custom pattern creation on a mobile device. Users can download additional designs from the app's collection and transfer them wirelessly to the SE2000, enhancing convenience and expanding creative possibilities. This machine features wireless LAN capabilities for transmitting embroidery files from a PC using the free design database transfer software. Alternatively, users can connect via the built-in USB port, ensuring seamless design transfers for various preferences and technical setups. It offers 190+ built-in embroidery designs, 50 downloadable designs, 13 fonts, and 241 stitches, making it versatile and practical for both hobbyists and professionals. The embroidery machine features a 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field, included hoop, 8 sewing feet, and advanced functions like color sort and jump stitch trimming. Its 3.7-inch touchscreen allows clear viewing and on-screen editing, including zoom, resizing, and combining designs, enhancing efficiency and personalization. In conclusion, the Brother SE2000 sewing and embroidery machine combines versatility, advanced features, and seamless connectivity, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a reliable, portable, crafting solution. Number 4, Janome Memorycraft 500E. The Janome Memorycraft 500E is a robust embroidery machine designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Boasting a sleek, withe color scheme, this machine measures 23.9 inches in depth, 13.43 inches in width, and 11.54 inches in height, with a weight of 20 pounds. Its sturdy construction primarily features metal components, ensuring durability and stability during operation. Powered by AC, the Janome Memorycraft 500E is equipped with essential features that enhance usability and creativity. A standout feature of this machine is its full-color touchscreen interface, which facilitates intuitive navigation and extensive on-screen editing capabilities. Users can effortlessly manipulate designs with functions such as enlarging or reducing, rotating, flipping, dragging and dropping, arcing, combining, copying and pasting, grouping, arranging corner layouts, executing single-color sewing, and zooming in for detailed adjustments. Efficiency is further enhanced by an automatic thread cutter and an advanced needle threader, which minimize manual labor and streamline the embroidery process. The machine supports a generous maximum embroidery size of 7.9 inches by 11 inches, accommodating larger projects with ease. Whether creating intricate designs or executing simple stitches, this embroidery machine stands as a versatile and indispensable tool in any crafter's arsenal. In summary, the Janome Memorycraft 500E combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a commendable choice for enthusiasts looking to elevate their embroidery projects to new heights of precision and creativity. Number 3, Bernette B79. The Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile crafting companion that seamlessly integrates precision sewing and intricate embroidery capabilities. With dimensions of 12 inches in depth, 31 inches in width, and 12 inches in height, this machine strikes a balance between compact size and sturdy build, crafted from durable metal for long-lasting reliability. It operates on both AC and DC power sources, ensuring flexibility for different crafting environments. One of the notable aspects of the Bernette B79 is its intuitive touchscreen interface, which makes it easy to navigate through a wide range of stitches and diverse embroidery designs. This interface is designed to empower users of all levels, from newcomers to experienced crafters by simplifying the selection of stitches and settings, thereby enriching the creative experience. Precision and reliability are paramount with this machine, delivering consistent stitching whether you're working on garments, quilts, or intricate embroidery projects. Its robust construction guarantees durability, making it a dependable choice for continuous use over time. Included with the machine is an exclusive Christmas design bundle, enriching your creative experience with a delightful selection of holiday-themed embroidery designs. From charming ornaments to festive motifs, this bundle adds a touch of seasonal magic to your crafting projects. In conclusion, the Bernette B79 sewing and embroidery machine stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and reliable performance. Whether you're exploring basic sewing techniques or diving into advanced embroidery projects, this machine supports your creative journey with its intuitive features and durable design, making it an essential tool for crafters looking to expand their skills and artistic possibilities. Number 2. Wonyo WY1501C. The Wonyo WY1501C commercial embroidery machine in white is a robust option for entrepreneurs looking to venture into embroidery businesses. Its dimensions measure 38.58 inches in depth, 33.07 inches in width, and 37.41 inches in height, with a manageable weight of 168 kilograms. This model operates on both AC and DC power sources, enhancing its versatility in different working environments. Key features include a spacious embroidery area measuring 14.2 inches by 22.5 inches, accommodating large designs with ease. The machine is equipped with an intuitive 8-inch LCD touchscreen interface, enabling seamless operation and easy navigation through its various functions. It boasts a maximum stitching speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, SPM, ensuring efficient production even with complex designs. For design flexibility, this machine supports USB connectivity, allowing users to transfer DST and DSB files from a computer directly to the machine. This capability simplifies the process of inputting custom designs and patterns, crucial for adapting to diverse customer demands. This machine handles denim, canvas, leather, vinyl, hats, and shoes, and includes a starter pack of accessories, ideal for newcomers to embroidery. It features technical support, training, manuals, video tutorials, and online local assistance for a seamless start and optimal operation. Overall, the Wonyo WY1501C stands out as a compact yet powerful commercial embroidery solution, combining advanced features with user-friendly design to meet the needs of both novice and experienced embroiderers alike. Its robust construction and versatile functionality make it a valuable asset for businesses aiming to expand their embroidery capabilities. Number 1. BAi Mirror1501. The BAi Mirror1501 embroidery machine stands out with its robust features tailored for both amateur enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. Boasting an impressive maximum embroidery area of 350 by 500 millimeters, this machine is perfectly suited for large-scale projects like embroidering suitcase covers or jacket backs, accommodating intricate designs with ease. Operating at a rapid speed of up to 1,200 stitches per minute, it significantly enhances productivity, making it an ideal choice for commercial applications where efficiency is paramount. Designed for user convenience, the BAi embroidery machine supports seamless design input via USB, allowing users to effortlessly transfer DST/DSB files from their computers directly to the machine. This feature ensures flexibility and customization, catering to a variety of creative needs. The machine comes equipped with a comprehensive set of accessories, eliminating the need for additional purchases and enabling users to start their embroidery projects right away. This commercial embroidery machine handles various tasks, including caps, t-shirts, and more. Its one-piece casting structure and latest control system ensure stability. It features a 10-inch touchable LCD, making operation straightforward. You can learn to operate this machine in just 5 to 10 minutes. Each machine comes with a computerized control panel capable of storing 20 million stitches, allowing you to upload, edit designs, and create custom lettering directly on the panel. Overall, the BAi hat embroidery machine combines expansive embroidery capabilities, high-speed performance, and comprehensive support features, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to elevate their embroidery projects, whether for personal enjoyment or professional endeavors. In reviewing these top embroidery machines, each offers unique features catering to different needs and preferences in crafting. From the portable versatility of the Brother SE2000 to the robust capabilities of the BAi Mirror1501 hat machine, there's a standout option for every enthusiast and professional. Whether prioritizing intuitive touchscreen interfaces, expansive embroidery areas, or seamless connectivity options, These machines excel in enhancing creativity and efficiency. Whether you're a novice exploring new artistic avenues or a seasoned crafter seeking to expand your capabilities, these machines promise to elevate your embroidery projects with innovation and reliability, making them indispensable tools in any crafting arsenal.